So, my Woodland Mills, my belt, my drive belt was wore out. I don't know if you can see it very good here, but it's pretty well wore out. That the blades actually ride on that belt, and it was worn enough that the blades were actually hitting the pulley. So I ordered new belt for that, and I see the new belt is not a cog belt, which is interesting, which I didn't understand why the original was. But it's a Kevlar belt, and be interested to get that on. There's another belt on this pulley here. This was the way it was before, if you can see it. Now they sent a regular V-belt for that. So evidently upgraded their design a little bit for whatever reason. So I'm interested to get these parts on and get back to sawing. So alrighty, catch you on the mill.